In this video, I will teach you how to download a video from Twitter on a computer. Go to www.twitter.com. In your computer's web browser, this will open your Twitter feed if you are logged in. Find a video to download. Scroll through your Twitter feed until you find the tweet in which the video is embedded. Click the play button on the video to open and begin playing the video. Right-click on the video. Click Copy Video Address. Open New tab, then go to twdown.net in the computer's web browser. Click the video URL text box. Paste in the video's address. It's the white box in the middle of the page. Click Download. This gray button is to the right of the URL text box. Click the top download link. Click Download Sign. Depending on your browser and settings, you can click the down arrow icon to start the video download. Or you can right-click the video and select Download Video in the drop-down menu.
Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.